Hey guys, I'm Namuto Pro Beats and today I have a really cool mix experiment for you. I want to try and mix a track by using just presets. I'm not allowed to touch any of the settings of the plugins, just the ins and outs, and that's it. I want to do this experiment because I want to see if it's possible to get a decent sound by using just presets. I know that a lot of you guys are trying to release music as demos over the internet, and I want to find out if presets are a starting point for having a decent sounding mix. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe, hit that like button. Let's get into it. So the rules for this experiment are pretty simple. I can touch the input and output of the plugins, but I cannot change the settings. Just use a preset. This is the track I want to use for this example.
I'ma pull up in my again. I'ma pull up, please stay away. I'ma tell them what's been up on my brain. Let me tell you what I did today. I just thought about the way you made me feel. Way before when I was off the pills. Label draw me, so I made a deal. I'ma keep working till I got a mill. I'ma keep working till
I want to mix the lead vocal and the ad-libs by using just presets. I want to start with my usual workflow. Let's add some delays and some reverbs to the lead vocal. I think I'm gonna go with Valhalla Vintage Verb. Let's see how this sounds. And I think I wanna hold
up in my again. I'ma pull up, please stay away. I'ma tell them what's been up on my brain. Let me tell you what I did today.
This is really nice for a shorter reverb. Let's add another one, but this time let's go with something a bit more longer.
Made me feel way before when
I like this one. It's a bit too long, but I think if we blend it really underneath the vocals, we can have some really nice texture. See how the vocal sounds with both reverbs.
up in my again. I'ma pull up, please stay away. I'ma tell them what's been up on my brain. Let me tell you what I did today. I just thought about the way you made me feel. Way before when I was off the pills. Label
really cool. Now let's add a delay. Echo Boy, let's go with the studio tape.
up in my again. I'ma pull up.
One thing that pisses me off with some plugins is that we don't have the options to lock the mix. If we had this function, browsing through presets will be really easy. But now, as you can see, each time I change the preset, the balance between the dry and wet signal will change.
Please stay away. I'ma tell them what's been up on my brain. Let me tell you what I did today. I just thought about the way you made me feel. Way before when I was off the pills. Label draw me, so I made a deal. I'ma keep working till I got a mill. I'ma keep working till
too much reverb. Let's back it down even more.
Till I'm in ills, cause I don't wanna be here no more. I told you everything that was for sure. I built a connection with you at your door. I picked you up and I knew you'd be my world. Said you're all in and I knew that I scored.
Cool. Now let's do the two-bus processing. I think this is going to be pretty interesting because this is pretty sensitive. I'm gonna use the glue from Cytomic. Let's try the glue 2.
Fortunately, you don't want me no more. I woke up, we broke up, I couldn't believe it was up in my again. I'ma pull up, please stay away. I'ma tell them what's been up on
I'm gonna stick with the glue 2, even though I don't like the release on automatic.
my brain. Let me tell you what I did today.
It's parallel, so it's fine for the moment. Now let's process the lead vocal. I will try and use my regular chain, corrective EQ, 2 compressors, tonal EQ. Let's see how this goes. For corrective EQ, I will go with FabFilter Pro Q3 with the vocal preset. As you can hear, the vocals are a bit too mid and low end heavy. I need to find a preset that deals with that.
Pull up, please stay away.
This preset just adds a bit of top end, that's fine. Low shelf. Let's see how this sounds.
Up in my again. I'ma pull up, please stay away. I'ma tell them what's been up on.
This sounds pretty natural, a bit too filtered, but that's not that big of a deal. Try C4 and see if we have a nice vocal preset.
Up in my again. I'ma pull up, please stay away. I'ma tell them what's been up on my brain. Let me tell you what I did today. I just thought about the way you made me feel. Way before when I was off the pills. Label draw me, so I made a deal. I'ma keep working till I got a mill. I'ma keep working till I'm in ills, cause I don't wanna be here no more. I told you everything that was for sure. I built a connection with you at your door. I picked you up and I knew you'd be my world. Said you're all in and I knew that I scored.
This is fine. Now we have too much top end. Let's add a de-esser, the FabFilter Pro DS with a male split band preset.
Up in my again, I'ma pull up, please stay alright. I'ma tell them what's been up on my brain. Let me tell you what I did today. I just thought about the way you made me feel. Way before when I was off the pills. Label draw me.
The first compressor, I'm thinking going with the R compressor. Let's see what we have here from Dave Pensado.
Up in my again, I'ma pull up, please stay alright.
I like this one because it's gentle, not compressing that much.
I'ma tell them what's been up on my brain. Let me tell you what I did today. I just thought about the way you made me feel. Way before when I was off the pills. Label draw me, so I made a deal. I'ma keep working. I'ma keep working till I'm in nails. Cause I don't wanna be here no more. I told you everything that was for sure. I built a connection with you at your door. I picked you up and I knew you.
Let's go with the CLA vocals and let's see if we can find a preset that we can use to polish this lead vocal.
Again, I'ma pull up, please stay alright. I'ma tell them what's been up on my brain. Let me tell you what I did today. I just thought about the way you made me feel. Way before when I was off the pills. Label draw me, so I made a deal. I'ma keep working till I got a mill. I'ma keep working till I'm in hills. Cause I don't wanna be here no more. I told you everything that was for sure. I built a connection with you at your door. I picked you up and I knew you'd be my world. Said you're all in and I knew that I scored. Unfortunately, you don't want me no more. I woke up, we broke up, I couldn't believe it was up in my again. I'ma pull up, please stay alright. I'ma tell them what's been up on my brain. Let me tell you what I did today. I just thought about the way you made me feel. Way before when I was off the pills. Label draw me, so I made a deal. I'ma keep working till I got a mill. I'ma keep working till I'm in hills. Cause I don't wanna be here no more. I told you everything that was for sure. I built a connection with you at your door. I picked you up and I knew you'd be my world. Said you're all in and I knew that I scored. Unfortunately, you don't want me no more. I woke up, we broke up, I couldn't believe it was up in my again. I'ma pull up, please stay alright. I'ma tell them what's been up on my brain. Let me tell you what I did today. I just thought about the way you made me feel. Way before when I was off the pills. Label draw me, so I made a deal. I'ma keep working till I got a mill. I'ma keep working till I'm in hills. Cause I don't wanna be here no more. I told you everything that was for sure.
I like this preset, I think it works pretty good. Now let's move to the ad-libs.
I'ma keep working till I'm in it.
And for this one, I'm gonna use the CLA effects, filter Vox.
I'ma keep working till I'm in hills. Cause I don't. I'm in hills, cause I don't wanna be. Cause I don't wanna be here no more. I told you everything that was for sure. I built a connection with you at your door. I picked you up and I knew you'd be my world. Said you're all in and I knew that I scored. Fortunately, you don't want me no more. I woke up, we broke up, I couldn't believe it was. I'ma keep working till I'm in hills, cause I don't wanna be here.
Let's finish the vocal chain with a CLA 2A to compress the ad-libs with the lead vocals.
I'ma keep working till I'm in hills, cause I don't wanna be here no more. I told you everything that was for sure. I built a connection with you at your door. I picked you up and I knew you'd be my world. Said you're all in and I knew that I scored. Unfortunately, you don't want me no more. I woke up, we broke up, I couldn't believe it was. I'ma keep working till I'm in hills, cause I don't wanna be here no more. I told you everything that was for sure. I built a connection with you at your door. I picked you up and I knew you'd be my world. Said you're all in and I knew that I scored. Unfortunately, you don't want me no more. I woke up, we broke up.
The vocals are a bit harsh. Let's start with C6 and see if we have any preset that. Let's try the de-essers. Let's see.
I'ma keep working till I'm in hills. I don't wanna be here no more. I told you everything that was for sure. I built a connection with you at your door. I picked you up and I knew you'd be my world. Said you're all in and I knew that I scored.
This de-esser B works pretty good.
Unfortunately, you don't want me no more. I woke up, we broke up. I'ma pull up in my again. I'ma pull up, please stay alright. I'ma tell them what's been up on my brain. Let me tell you.
Still a bit too harsh.
Tell you what I did today. I just thought about the way you made me feel. Way before when I was off the pills. Label draw me, so I made a deal. I'ma keep working till I got a mill. I'ma keep working till I'm in hills, cause I don't wanna be here no more.
I need more ambience on the ad-libs. Let's add a vintage verb with, let's say, a gated reverb.
And I knew that I scored. Unfortunately, you don't want me no more. I woke up, we broke up, I couldn't believe it was up in my again. I'ma pull up, please stay away. I'ma tell them what's been up on my brain. Let me tell you what I did today. I just thought about the way you made.
Now let's do a quick A/B before and after the processing.
You made me feel way before when I was off the pills. Label draw me, so I made a deal. I'ma keep working till I got a mill. I'ma keep working till I'm in ills. I don't wanna be here no more. I told you everything that was for sure. I built a connection with you at your door. I picked you up and I knew you'd be my world. Said you're all in and I knew that I scored. Fortunately, you don't want me no more. I woke up, we broke up, I couldn't believe it was up in my again. I'ma pull up, please stay away. I'ma tell them what's been up on my brain. Let me tell you what I did today. I just thought about the way you made me feel. Way before when I was off the pills. Label draw me, so I made a deal. I'ma keep working till I got a mill. I'ma keep working till I'm in ills. I don't wanna be here no more. I told you everything that was for sure.
I think it sounds pretty good. You don't need me to mix your tracks. The purpose behind this video is to show you that you can use presets, and I think that presets are a really good starting point if you're learning to mix. You can achieve decent results that can be used for demos or to release tracks over the internet for fun. I think it's no shame in using presets. I think that only the end results matter. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and see you guys really soon. Cheers.